Okay, here we're on Power Tower. I'm going to show you how to get up there. Yeah, you're only supposed to be able to get up there once, and that's the beginning. You do this again. Get out. And if I did it right, yeah. Okay. Okay, now you just gotta fly over there. And check yourself every once in a while. Make sure you're going heading the right way. A little bit. Now we should hyper strike all the way down. Any minute now. It might take a while. Okay, here it comes. Yep. You can stand, you can come out right here. And then you can climb up here. On top of here. Now, I tried putting crystals down and hovering over there. I can't get to it. I'll just let you do it then. Okay, that's it for here. Okay, over here on Control, I'm going to show you how to get on top, stand on top of the lava. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Hey, I sometimes get on my first turn, and I sometimes don't. So please just forgive me. Okay. Now you're wanting to high jump, hyper strike up. And you can walk a little ways over there. I've never been over here on top of the lava. Huh. I only went the other way and it knocks you down. Yeah, and then now you're behind the lava. And then you die if you get. Yeah. Okay. I'll just leave you guys now to figure it out. Okay. You can do this on almost every tree in the treehouse. You can jump up on the tree, and guess what? You can even walk up the tree. Now, for this one, you want to slant a little bit to the left and walk up. Is it doing it? Yay! Can you see it? That my armor is above my head. That's not a good sign. Okay. It happens a lot when you're doing glitches. Okay. Well, I messed that one up. My bad. My bad. So you can go all the way up. I've done it before. It gets picky. And that is it here.